It's Sunday, so it's time for another feature creature. There is no shortage of animals at the Tennessee Aquarium today. Photojournalist Dakota Casteel introduces us to one odd fish.
Today, we are diving into the Tennessee Aquarium's Rivers of the World exhibit, where we meet a fish that could very well rival an elephant for its most unusual snout.
This fish is called an elephantnose fish. It's called the elephantnose fish because of that little snout that you can see protruding from the front of its face.
So is that appendage something that can be considered a nose for these fish?
It's actually not a nose, and it's not even in the position of a nose. It's more in the position of a chin. It actually sticks out right below their mouth. And they actually use that to kind of probe around in the substrate to find their food.
While we're on that, what are some of the things that these fish can eat?
In the wild, they're going to feed mostly on insects and worms, probably little small crustaceans. And these guys actually are a weakly electric fish as well. They have an organ in the base of their tail that actually sends out small electric impulses. Those will kind of bounce off of objects and come back to them. They have electroreceptors all over their body, but they're especially concentrated in their face and head, and especially in that snout. So they're actually hunting for food that way as well.
So I know there's a saying that elephant never forgets. Can you kind of speak on the intelligence level of these fish?
They are supposed to be a pretty intelligent fish. Their brains are actually very large in relation to their body, comparable to human brain size relative to our body. They are able to use those electric signals and read them, find their way around. They can actually look at objects, see what size they are. They can tell if they're 2D or 3D. They can tell what kind of materials they're made out of. They can even communicate with each other that way and actually find a mate. So it's kind of interesting.
These exotic fish can be found throughout their native habitat, ranging from West and Central Africa. For this week's featured creature, I'm Dakota Casteel.
Oh, that is so awesome. So to see this story again or any of the other feature creature segments, go to our website at newschannel9.com.